Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're ready. Log into Gmail and keep the tailored resume and job description visible. Once done, click Compose and paste the hiring manager's address. Make sure it's exact. Now write a concise, specific subject that includes role and location. Attach your PDF resume using the paperclip icon, then name the file clearly. Don't delay. These first actions place your application on track and prevent avoidable errors that cost opportunities. Start the email body with a 1 to 2 sentence hook that ties your strongest value to the job. Then add 2 or 3 bullet points showing measurable achievements. Numbers make impact. Make your paragraph short. Use bold sparingly to highlight role-related skills. Once the main pitch is done, state exactly what you want. Interview, next steps, or a follow-up call, and provide your phone number and availability. Finally, add a polite sign-off and your full name and title. Before hitting send, read the email out loud and preview it on mobile to check formatting. Make tiny edits. Consistency matters. Once satisfied, send and immediately apply a label for the company and schedule a follow-up reminder for 7 to 10 days. If the message bounces or attachments exceed size limits, replace the file with a Google Drive link set to view. This fixes most delivery issues. If your email lands in spam, ask the recipient to wipe.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.